volleyball. Ateneo one set away from notching win number 2 here in season 75. It was a dismal and disappointing second set for UE, wherein Coach Boy Dalistan did not like the body language of the members of the first 6. We sent in the players from his bench to take over.
That's right, and Boy Dalistan trying to look for a combination that would probably bring more fire and more energy onto the floor. Pero sabi nga, ano nangyari? Tanong niya nung timeout, ano nangyari sa inyo? Parang lalo kayong nawalan ng gana. Ito namang Ateneo taking advantage of the weakness of today's game from UE. A more comfortable win here in the second set. You've got Alisa Valdez attacking again, both from the front and from the back row. And Coach Roger, on a positive note to his second set, was able to field in one or his bench players to get the feel again and bring that experience, who knows, for next season. Attack points, lalong lumaki ang lamang. 14-6, Ateneo pa rin. Blocks, 2-0. Service aces, 2-0. Unforced errors were even at 7 apiece. You've got this strong Ateneo squad. This happened to them. I'm just trying to remind everyone that this happened to them in their last game, in their opening game.
Yes.
Winning the first 2 sets, and they collapsed literally in the third set against FEU. Let's see if they still want to look back at that game, probably, and try to repeat it, or they've learned their lesson and you know, sabi nga nila, in good teams, pag nakakita ng opportunity to end it in 3, you do that and end it in 3.
We'd like to take this opportunity before we begin set number 3 to say happy birthday to UAAP board member Mr. Junel Bakuli.
Uy.
Happy birthday, sir.
That's
happy
right.
birthday, Coach. And our very own Gerald Gicana of ABS-CBN Sports.
Kaya pala wala si Gerald. Birthday leave.
So, happy birthday to Coach Junel Bakuli.
Yes, happy birthday, Sir
Gicana. All right, we begin set number 3. UE versus Ateneo. Now, going back to what you mentioned, Coach Roger Gorayeb giving an opportunity to his new players, to his bench players and his new players to get their feet wet, to feel the Taraflex, as you mentioned. More players getting a chance to show what they can do here also.
Tejada, one of them.
Tejada.
Starting off this third set, getting her first point of the match. Showing a lot of promise, this young lady.
Yeah, the prize recruit this year for Ateneo, WNCAA MVP. All right, let's go to Selena Dagdag for this courtside update.
Coach Roger does not want to see his team commit the same mistakes they did the last time. So at the commencement of the third set, Coach wants for the team to communicate and to time their defensive plays. He also wants for them to concentrate and focus on their offensive plays as well. At this point, napansin na rin ng senior players na pakaliwa ang takbo ng bola ni Dawis. Thus, they encouraged one another to tailor their game plan accordingly. Anton and Ian.
Thank you, Selena, for that report. Just so we can clear things up with the volleyball term, Doc Ian, ano yung ibig sabihin ng pakaliwa ang bola ni Dawis?
Alam mo, hindi ko rin alam kung paano. No, just joking. Well, players do have a tendency, and that's what the coaching staff does, no? Kapag nakikita lang isang player, mas lamang laging pakaliwa dinadala yung bola, then that means the player doesn't follow the normal angle of the approach. But this time, ayan, kita mo, doon pa rin niya dinala sa kaliwa if he attacks from the back. So, these are very, very important. If you're blocking or if you're on floor defense, alam mo kung most of the time saan dadali ng attacker. Dawis, obviously, with that report, hanggang ngayon, siya pa rin yung binabantayan ng players ng Ateneo. And kung talagang yun ang game plan, so far we've seen medyo successful ang nangyari sa kanila, having that same game plan on hand for this third set.
Siya talaga ang marked lady para kay Coach Roger Gorayeb on the side of UE. Now going back to our discussion about the new players of Ateneo, we've been saying that this is the last year of the Fab Five. I think we're going to see this a lot. We did not see this a lot last year. Coach Roger Gorayeb fielding in the players from his bench. I think, though, this year we're going to see it a lot.
Very true. I do think Coach Roger wants to not only give more experience to the younger players, but sometimes it's also good for these veterans to step back, you know, try to look at the game, how it's going, have a feel, and once you bring them back in, now they have a different look or different perspective on the game. malaking bagay yun na nakakalabas sila for 2 or 3 rotations to just look at how the game is going on.
Coach Roger Correa, but happy.
Oh, he's complaining about a call. Mukhang
Yeah.
not over daw yung isang tawag. And ganyan naman yan si Coach Roger, no? Oh, this one going in. Miriales not able to have a strong, solid block. Malambot din. So pagtama ng bola, just went straight down on their court.
We were talking about Ateneo not wanting a repeat
Yun.
of what happened against FEU in the last game. Just to let everybody know, in case you're just following the new season of women's volleyball right now, in the third set, after going up 2-0, Ateneo had such a weak set, an uninspired effort. They lost that third set 25-6.
Yun na nga eh.
And for a veteran team, that's really, that's a head scratcher.
That's right. So, ang ibig sabihin nun, Anton, they only rotated 6 times. Ganun lang yun. Lahat lang sila umikot lang na isa and then natapos lang yung set. So, that's how bad it was against FEU in that third set. And alam naman niya ni Coach Rogers, so he doesn't want the same thing to happen for this match. But they matched their output, so they're safe. 6 na sila ngayon. Oh, yan. Lampas pa.
Okay.
7.
And then in the fourth set, it was close, but FEU took it 27-25 to force a deciding fifth set. And then they just buckled down. The experience that they gained from making it to the finals last year carried the Lady Eagles to that victory.
Exactly.
Now, in contrast to that, ito namang UE went down 0-2.
Yun.
And then they showed that they didn't want to give up. They won sets 3 and 4 before losing in set number 5. Napako din sila sa 6. 15-6.
15-6, yeah. Another exciting one.
All right, let's go to Judy Saril now.
Galit na Coach Boy ang nakita ko kanina sa timeout. Ramdam na ramdam ng buong coaching staff na wala sa puso ng mga Warriors ang paglalaro nila ngayon. Nagmamakaawa si Coach na nagsalita. Ayusin naman natin. Napapahiya tayo eh. Nagsisihan lang tayo sa loob. Anton?
Maraming salamat, Judy. We'll take a break. Kit Kat break, that is. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.